Hello, my name is Kirsten, and I currently am a teller. I am actually currently getting a multi-studies disciplinary degree at BSU. I do plan on going farther into risk, and I would like to know more information because I do have a high score of making sure that we do not have risk in our business, and I continue to want to help others with learning that too. With my degree, I'm learning leadership and learning more about businesses and how they work, and I continue to want to know more about banking because it is an ever-changing uh, ever-changing business, and it is constantly moving around, and risk is a huge part of what we do, and we want to make sure we are helping customers. The best way to do it is with risk and making sure everyone is following it. With everyone following it is a good way to lead your group too. So with my degree, I will be leading the group in that, and I have many different chances where I do actually lead the group. Like, I have been an assistant manager before to a business, so I've definitely had some experience with leading the group too. I just want to know more information about it.